Mdf and Wood. Imported. Recommended use. Recommended for ages 3, holds up to 50 pounds. For Toy Story fans, this fun chair desk features colorful graphics of Toy Story characters, ideal for homeschooling or remote learning. Kid-friendly design. Desk sits low to the ground for easy access. Size, assembled dimensions, 20.47 L x 22.83 W x 23.23 H. Tons of storage. Desk features pull-out storage bin under the seat that provides ample space for toys, art supplies and more. Built-in cup holder is ideal for art supplies. Durable construction. Made of engineered wood and fabric built to withstand years of use. Scratch-resistant finish protects the colorful graphics. Wipes clean easily with dry cloth. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy and a child favorite. We love this chair. My 2-year-old son is autistic, and his therapist recommended this chair for him. I didn't have much hope that he would sit in it. He is very strange about stuff like that. But, he loves it. He will slide in and watch TV, eat his snacks, and best of all, they use it in therapy to do puzzles, etc. It's a great price for the sturdiness and size. My 5-year-old daughter is 43 pounds and 43 inches and she has plenty of room. She sits all the time to draw and color. He will get a lot of use out of this chair.